Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. As the previous video of this kind of series, I did Texas Tech players on my NFL team, Indianapolis Colts, because Texas Tech is my favorite college to root for. So this is for someone else. It's going to be exhibition mode. The rest are going to be exhibition mode, like that doesn't pertain to me first. And then, but for me, I did Super Bowl mode first because I just wanted to. Because it was for myself, my own team. So this is for someone else. This is Texas Longhorns players and Miami Hurricanes players. This person likes Texas and Miami for the root for college. Someone I know. So here's all the quarterbacks are Texas, and all the halfbacks are from Texas. The fullback Texas as well. Okay, got Reggie Wayne here. Miami and Texas mixed up right here. Got Devin Hester too. The tight ends, they're all Miami. Left tackle, 2 Miamis and 1 Texas. Left guards are both Texas. The center is Texas. The right guards are both Texas. The right tackles are 2 Miamis and 1 Texas. Left end is Miami and Texas. The right ends are Miami and Texas as well. The defensive tackle are both Texas. Left outside linebacker is 2 Texas and 1 Miami. Middle linebacker, this is the middle linebacker. We got John Beeson and Ray Lewis, but Ray Lewis is gonna have to be benched here, even though he has more experience. But 3 Miami and 1 Texas right here. And then right outside linebacker, both Miami. A cornerback, Texas and Miami. Free safety, got Ed Reed as well. 2 Miamis and 1 Texas. Strong safety is both Miami, and the kicker and punter, they're the only ones that didn't have Texas and Miami, and you can't put any in the free agents. Like, you can't put kickers and punters in the free agents in this game. So yeah, let's get into the game. It's gonna be exhibition mode. It's gonna be Colts at Cowboys, because this is gonna be a series that I'm doing with everybody. So exhibition mode, Colts are first, and then it's gonna be Giants next for teams in my liking. It's on pro mode. Acceleration clock off. Colts versus Cowboys. Peyton Manning, Vince Young. So Miles Austin is going to be on the Colts here. Okay, I'll provide you all with the results at the end.